Okay, it's IELTS speaking part one, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions, and you have to answer. Let's start from here. Uh, do you often use map like Google Map or paper map?
Yes, I often use map when I am in Lahore because the size of Lahore has expanded so much.
Expanded?
So yes, I've said that has expanded so much. So to move from one place to another, you have to use maps. So yes, to answer your question, I use maps often.
Okay. Do you prefer to use paper maps or electronic maps?
Yeah, for me, I prefer to use online maps like Google Maps and things like that because they are more convenient. The phone is just in your palm and you carry it and follow the directions.
All right. What do you do when you are unable to use any map and you get lost?
Yeah, in such a situation, I think the people in my country are really helpful. So I take guidance from mostly from the vehicles that are on the road, like from rickshaw drivers, from car drivers. So they help me to get to the place. And if they are not there, so I take help from the locals.
Okay. How often do you visit new places?
Yeah, as I moved to Lahore just in the past 2 years, I have been there here. So I have planned with my family to go there, but for now I haven't visited much places in the Lahore. In Lahore, so yeah, I would plan to go there.
All right. Overall, it's good, like minor mistakes, but then you correct yourself as well, which is quite good. So keep it up and be familiar because topics like maps, they are pretty unusual topics. So you need to focus usual and unusual topics both.
Okay.
Right? All right, let's go on. It's your turn, please. What kind of clothes do you like to wear?
Actually, I like to wear modest clothes when I go outside, but whenever I am alone in my home, I usually wear t-shirts with pajamas.
Okay, do you prefer to wear comfortable clothes or elegant clothes?
And the answer is same. Like when I go outside, I wear elegant clothes which look decent on me, and when I am at home, I wear comfy clothes
Okay.
mostly.
Do people wear traditional clothes in your country or they wear Western clothes?
Many people wear traditional clothes. There are a few people who like to wear Western
Yeah, there are
clothes.
some people.
Yes, there are some people who like to wear Western clothes, but they are in minority.
Okay. Are clothes expensive in your hometown?
Yes, clothes are very expensive. The local ones are not expensive, but the branded ones are so costly.
Okay, that's good. Your answers are fine. Some answers were short, so try to add a couple of sentences. And whenever you do IELTS listening, just imitate their style,
Yes.
copy their style. It'll be better. Thank you so much.